guys, welcome back, and hello if you are new. Hi, how are you doing? So this video was requested by Katie, and it is going to be all about eye makeup and all of the tips and tricks that I use to help my eye makeup look just a little bit better. So if you do want to see how I do my eye makeup, then stay tuned. Now let's jump in and make our eye makeup beautiful. So you know how it is, you see someone on YouTube or Instagram doing an eye makeup look and you think to yourself, I could do that. Then you end up looking like this. Don't worry, I got you. Let's start at the beginning. First we need to know the basics, the areas of the eyes that we can apply our makeup. That is key. So first we have our brow bone, and that is where our highlight will go. Next is the lid, and that is where your main eyeshadow colour will sit. Then we have the outer V, and that is where the second colour shall go. Up next is the crease, and that is where our transition colour will go. This will help blend the eye makeup together. Then we have lashes. Apply your favourite mascara. The upper lash line is used for eyeliner. The waterline is also used for eyeliner, but make sure you use a pencil and not liquid. Then we have the lower lash line, which is where your second eyeshadow colour will go. Finally, we have the tear duct, where a pop of highlight will go. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try tightlining with an eyeliner pencil. I don't do this personally. So next we need to prime our eyes. There are eyeshadow primers out there, but I personally use my No. 7 concealer to do this. Using a primer will help the eyeshadow stay on for longer. I have two brushes that I use for eyeshadow. The first one is the Real Techniques medium shadow brush, which I use for dark colours. The second is my mermaid tail brush, which I use for light colours. I'm also using the Essential Crease brush from Real Techniques to blend the colours together. So for this makeup look, I am using NYX's Dreamcatcher palette in the shade Golden Horizons, and it has some beautiful colours in here. And the colours that I am going to be using is this one right here, which is going to be the main colour, this one here, which is going to be the second colour, and then we're going to use this one here as the transition colour, with white being the highlight. So using my Real Techniques brush, I am going to dip into this golden brown shimmery colour and apply that all over the lids. Next, using this dark colour here, I'm taking my crease brush, dipping it in, and I'm just going to gently swipe that over the outer V. I don't want it to be too heavy. Using the crease brush again, I'm going to dip into the shimmery, lighter shade of brown, and this is going to be the transition colour to blend these two colours together. So using the crease brush again, I'm going to go back into the dark colour, and just taking a little bit, we're going to sweep that just under the eye. Then using my mermaid tail brush and the white shadow, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and put a dot into my tear duct. Not directly into your tear duct, but just next to it. Then I'm going to take Maybelline New York's gel liner in the shade Black, just to do a small line across my eye. I'm not very good at winging my eyeliner. I'm still in the process of trying to do that. Finally, I'm adding No. 7's Extravagant Volume mascara to finish off the look. And here is the finished eye makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do look a bit weird now, having one eye done, the other one not. But there we go. So thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a little thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. And if you can, maybe hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!